Let's make 3 puri starters. Open a can of chickpeas and drain the water. Add 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Add 1 tablespoonful of tahini. Add plenty of olive oil. And run the food processor. Add more olive oil to make it smooth if it's necessary. Add salt to make it your favorite level of saltiness. Done. Sprinkle paprika powder. I actually ran out of paprika powder, so I used Italian herbs. And eat with baguette or vegetable sticks. Next, let's make marinated smoked salmon. Place smoked salmon into a baking dish. Place 1 onion sliced on top. Place 1 carrot thinly sliced. Place 1 stalk of celery thinly sliced and cherry tomatoes halved. Place half lemon thinly sliced and chopped. Add half bottle of capers. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Add black pepper. Sprinkle plenty of olive oil. Put the lid on and leave it for 3 hours in the fridge and mix well before eating. Now, let's make pasta salad aglio olio. First, place plenty of olive oil in the wok. Add 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Add 1 red chili finely chopped. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Add 4 slices of baked bacon. Add Italian herbs. Mix the sauce with boiled pasta, chopped sun-dried tomatoes and artichokes, olives, cut cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. Then sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. Now, enjoy your party!
If you like this channel, please like us, leave a comment and subscribe.